Hello everyone, I'm Siddhika and I'm from India. Today I'm going to review the book, an illustrated guide, The Happiness Trap Pocket Book, Stop Struggling, Start Living by Dr. Russ Harris and Babe Asbin. So as children we all love reading comic books, right? So this is also an illustrated guide it's just like a comic book. So it is like going back to the days. Let me show you a few pages of it. See. It is completely illustrative. Lot of illustrations are there and it's a very nice book to read. Coming over to the content of the book, especially during this lockdown when we are less busy and we have less social interactions, there always seems to be a lot of negative thoughts that come into our mind and we keep wallowing in it, and it takes away a lot of our time. What this book says is that negative thoughts are a very inevitable part of our day-to-day life, and we can never be able to get it out of our mind of 100%, but there are many healthy ways to deal with it. It mentions a lot of ways to deal with it, and one of the ways, let me just give you an example. Like if you are having a negative thought, for example, that I'm not good enough, so you just have to repeat to yourself, there the story of I'm not good enough is appearing in my mind. So that will give you a third person perspective and will tell you that it is just a thought and you should just let it go. So there are many such tactics written in this book, and sometimes this was just a small thing. There are bigger negative things and feelings appears in our hearts and minds once in a while. So there are very healthy ways to deal with it in this book. Now the second and the best part of this book is also a little bit of theoretical part. It's the only theoretical part of this book, in fact. So it goes like this. So when you read a lot of self-development books, you come to know time and again that the authors or the self-growth teachers keep telling us to stand up for what we want, stand up for our values, have principles, have values, and stand for what we know. But my question always used to be as to what this exactly values look like. What the things that which I call to myself as values, are they really the values? What do others' values look like? So this book answered my question, and this literally has a list of 40 different values that people usually have, and we decide from that as to which values are important to us and which are not important, and if there is anything in similar lines that we want this to add, we can do that as well. So now we really understand that what we actually stand for, and that will make our self-development process very easy. So it is a very fun book to read, and I would highly recommend it to all the beginners in the journey of self-development, because getting over your negative thought is like the first step towards self-development. And do let me know in the comment section down below if you like this book, and if you like this video, do give this video a like. Please share it with your family and friends, especially during this lockdown time. They will highly need this book. And subscribe to my channel for more reviews on self-development materials. Thank you.